What's up everybody, it's your girl Diane again, coming to you with another motivating video. And in this video today we're going to discuss how to be a friend to yourself. We often focus on building relationships with others that we forget the essential first step, being friends of ourselves. That is the crucial first step if we are to have good relationships with others. How can we have good relationships with others if we don't even have good relationship with ourselves? The problem might be worse than we expect. Maybe we don't like ourselves without realizing it. So here's a simple checklist. To everyone out there, is there anything you don't like about yourself from these lists? Your past? Maybe you have made mistakes in the past which you feel bad about. You might be disappointed with yourself on why you could make such mistakes. Even if that happened in distant past, your subconscious mind still has a reason not to like yourself. Your background. You might wish that you were born in different family or that you have different background. Maybe you could not accept the fact that you are not as lucky as others whom seem to get whatever they want effortlessly because of their background. Your personality traits. You might have some personality traits that you don't like. For example, you may be an introvert and you don't like it. You wish you are an extrovert. And your achievements relative to others. Others might have better achievements than you, and no matter how hard you tried, it might seem impossible for you to match them. You might then think that it's because you're not smart enough or don't have enough talents. Is there anything that resonates with you? All these give reasons to you not to like yourself. That in turn makes it difficult for you to be a good friend to yourself. Fortunately, there are always things you can do to fix the situation. So here are 6 great tips to start incorporate into your life so you can be that good friend to yourself. Step number 1, forgive yourself. You may have made those mistakes in the past, but is there anything you can do about them? I don't think so. Accept learning from them. It's true that you are not perfect, but neither is everybody else. It's normal to make mistakes, so do yourself a favor by giving yourself forgiveness. Step number 2, accept things you can't change. There are some things you cannot change, such as your background or your past. So, learn to accept them. You will feel much relieved if you treat things you can't change the way they deserve. Just accept them, smile, and move on. Step number 3, focus on your strengths. Instead of focusing on your weaknesses, focus on your strengths. You always have some strengths which give you a unique combination nobody else have. Recognize your strengths and build your life around them. Step number 4, write your success stories. One reason we may not like ourselves is we are too focused on what we don't have that we forget about what we have. So, make a list of your achievements. Write your success stories. They do not have to be big things. There are a lot of small but important achievements in our life. For example, if you have some good friends, that's already an achievement. If you have a good family, that is also an achievement. Step number 5, stop comparing yourself with others. You are unique. You can never be like other people, and neither can other people be like you. The way you measure your success is not determined by other people and what they achieve. Instead, it is determined by your own life purpose. You have everything you need to achieve your life purpose. So it's useless to compare yourself with others. Finally, step number 6. Always be true to yourself. You don't like other people lying on you, right? Similarly, you won't like yourself if you know that you lied to yourself. Whether you realize it or not, that gives your mind a reason not to like yourself. That's why it's important to always be true to yourself. In whatever you do, be honest and follow your conscience. Here are the steps recap. 6 best ways to be a good friend to yourself. 1. Forgive yourself. 2. Accept things you can't change. 3. Focus on your strengths. 4. Write your success stories. 5. Stop comparing yourself with others. And 6. Always be true to yourself. So here are my final thoughts to all my friends out there. Friendship with the most beautiful of souls, ourselves, is one of the most treasured relationships in our world, and one that frankly, more of us should invest time to nurture. The returns are infinite, and I promise that you will be in a perpetual state of zen and fulfillment after you experience this journey. So to all my friends out there, these are the steps to helping you becoming a good friend to yourself. Hope that it has been helpful. If it has, I ask that you please subscribe to my channel, as I will be doing more videos like these. Of course, give this video a thumbs up if you like, and don't forget to click on the notification bell for future videos upload. See you soon in my next video. Have a blessed day and bye!